Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you guys are at in this beautiful, magnificent world that we live in. This is your boy Jaime G, and we about to drop it like it's hot, baby. We about to dive into some Doge and some overall crypto market news. Now, if you're new to my channel, your boy appreciates the love. Maybe you can help me out with that YouTube algo so we can get this crypto news to the masses, guys. Hit the likes or even hit the dislikes, guys. But most importantly, hit that notification bell. Turn it on to all so you can be notified when I come through with developing and breaking news, guys. Remember, none of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. Now, guys, hopefully you guys had a wonderfully blessed New Year's Eve. A lot of you guys are probably hungover. You guys are probably out there doing your thing, getting your swerve on, drinking, whatever it was. Hopefully nobody was out there drinking and driving. All right, guys. Most probably, hopefully you guys had a safe time, right? Wherever you guys were at. And Happy New Year's to all of you guys. Man, I meant to drop this video last night, but I fell asleep, guys. Anyways, all right, guys, you guys ready to dive into the Wild Wild West of crypto land? Without further ado, let's get it, baby. Bitcoin right now is sitting at 47,440 with 62 cents. It is up 3.414%, guys. Not too bad to start the year off in the green. Things are looking okay, off to a start, right? As you can see, top 100 on coin market cap are in the green. Green, 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 baby. So we're starting off fresh, new year 2022, and we're in the green. Things are looking pretty good, guys. Looking really good so far, right? All right, now let's dive into Dogecoin. We'll get into some Bitcoin news here in a minute. Now, guys, Dogecoin obviously ranks number 12. We are up 2.8% for the day. We're sitting at 17 cents right now, guys. Or we're sitting at 1.1 or 0.1729, okay? Now our 24-hour low is 0.1702 and our 24-hour high was 0.1734, right? So basically last 24 hours between the lower and higher 17 range is where we've been at, right? Our market cap is sitting at $22.929 billion. Holy smoke, guys. Our volume in the last 24 hours. Holy fuck, this is bad. This is bad. I have not seen it this low. I can't even remember when, guys. This is crazy. $390.1 million. We're not even in the billion, guys. We have dropped drastically. Holy smokes. I'm surprised we're still holding up. All right, guys, enough of the stats. Now let's dive into the charts, okay, guys, real quick. Right, we're just gonna get straight to the point, right? So resistance, okay. Let me get my dude. Resistance is at the 21-day simple moving average, right, which is this red line here. Okay, it's held Doge back from a breakout, guys, for 45 days now, right? This resist. I'm not gonna backtrack, right? But for 45 days, this 21-day simple moving average has been acting as a resistance, right? Granted, on the 22nd of December, right, we flipped the trend and we made the resistance to support for 6 days, right? So that's where you see this right here, right? That was on the 22nd, right? We broke resistance, okay, for 6 days, right? We had and then we had the flash crash, right, on December 27th, which is right here, okay? And then it caused us, right, to obviously once again flip the trend, right, as you can see right here. And then we made resist or support into resistance once again at 18 cents, right? And then as you can see, guys, the last couple days right here, right, we have tested resistance and continuously got rejected. Same thing with support, not rejected, but as you can see here, right, support held us very well. Same thing over here, right here. So support has been holding us very long, right? Or very long. Support, right? It seems we have formed a strong bottom at 16 cents, as you can see here in the chart, right? For the past 30 days, we have tested on multiple occasions the 16-cent level, right? As you can see where it's circled here, 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 right? We continuously test 16 cents, right? So this is a very strong bottom right here, right? This 16 cents, very strong bottom for us, right? So the key takeaway from all of this, right, guys, is support is at 16 cents, which is proved time after time to be a bottom uh, for us, right? It's at 16 cents, right? And resistance, obviously, the 21-day simple moving average at 18 cents, which has been a major, major challenge for us, guys, to break, right? So that's the key takeaway. 18 cents is resistance still, and 16 cents is support. All right, guys, enough of the charts. Now let's dive into some overall Doge news, okay? All right, thank you if you're still with me. All right, okay, real quick here. Now it says Robinhood to roll out beta version of digital wallet in January 2022. Now, guys, why is this important? Because most people holding Doge, there's a big majority of people that have Dogecoin on Robinhood. Therefore, you cannot take your Dogecoin and you can't move it. You can't act as your own bank, right? You don't own your keys like you do, say, on Trust Wallet or Atomic Wallet or Exodus, right? On those ones, you are basically your bank. So once this rolls out and people will be able to start moving their Doge around, right? It'll definitely act as a positive catalyst, and it will help push the price of Doge up. I can almost guarantee it. I can't guarantee you anything but taxes and death, right, guys? But you get the point I'm making. I truly believe, in my opinion, that it will be a positive catalyst for Doge. Right now, it says alpha base of Robinhood's digital wallet wrapped up beta version of the app to be released in mid-January 2022. More than 1.6 million people have signed up for the Robinhood wallet. Right, so that tells you there, right, guys? There is a big majority of people on there hold Doge. Out of that 1.6 million, it's safe to assume that at least half of that are strictly Dogecoin holders, right? So let's dive into our next article here. All right, where are we at here? All right, now this says Shiba Inu and the rest. Now, top 8 influential altcoins in 2021. Right now, it says 2021 was a crazy year, especially for altcoins. Today, we take a look at some of the best performers, but not only in price. Now, Ethereum was obviously number 1. They go by rank, right? Guess who's number 2, baby? Dogecoin, right? Out of 2021, out of all the thousands of altcoins out there, guys, we rank number 2 out of best altcoins, out of top 8. This is a huge establishment and a huge accomplishment for the Doge community, right? And the Doge army, right? Considering we were considered a joke in the beginning of the year, right? It says, well, many consider Dogecoin to be a joke. 2021 was the year when it managed to prove people otherwise. Hell yeah. At the time of the writing, Doge is number 12, biggest cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of over 23 billion. It has been the forefront of one of the hottest trends of the year, the meme coin mania. And it is undoubtedly, this is key right here, undoubtedly responsible for onboarding plenty of newcomers in the world of cryptocurrencies. Of course, an argument can be made that a lot of the investors who rode the hype train got burned, but it's undeniable that for a time, Dogecoin was what every TradeFi and crypto investor was looking at. It legitimized memes to an extent where multiple online and brick and mortar merchants accepted it for payment. That is exactly true, guys. There's over 1,700 companies that have now, from January to now, to January, accept Doge as a form of payment, right, guys? It definitely has legitimized meme coins, right? Because that's the category that Doge is in. It's number 1. It's the big dog of the meme coins, but not just that, importantly, right? It is responsible for onboarding plenty of newcomers into crypto, right, guys? So because of Doge, there is a lot more people that have jumped into cryptocurrency, which is huge, right, guys? Because that's what we want at the bottom end, right? We want to see cryptocurrency adoption grow. We want it to go mainstream. So this was a major accomplishment. That's why I wanted to point out this article to you guys. This is a very, very positive milestone for Dogecoin, guys. All right here. Now, this is a little bit of a negative press, right? Now it says Mozilla's Dogecoin pitch results in backlash, right? There's always going to be haters, guys. You got to just let the haters hate and just continue to push forward, right? Now it says the Mozilla Foundation, a nonprofit organization that oversees the Mozilla Corporation, has faced backlash after asking the cryptocurrency donations in a highly I don't even know how to say that word. Highly tweet, I'll just say, right? And it goes on to talk about, right, there's people saying that they're going to terminate their services, so on and so forth. Why? Because people are haters on cryptocurrency / Dogecoin, right, guys? So this was a little bit of negative press, right? But, you know what I mean? Just the good and the bad. I wanted to point out everything, right? I just want to point out that there's still haters. Look at this article here, right? There's major haters here now. It says Shiba Inu and Dogecoin unlikely to rally in 2022, according to market analysts, right? Now, this bozo right here says his name is Christopher Vichoyo, senior currency strategist at IG Group, recently told Yahoo Finance that he would be very surprised if Shiba Inu and Dogecoin had a good 2022. He says he believes that only Elon Musk would be able to save these coins by pumping them on Twitter. And he said, I'd be very surprised if Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have a good year unless someone like Elon is pumping them on Twitter. Obviously, this guy is an idiot and doesn't do his homework, right, guys? Dogecoin, we have a lot going for us from 2022 and beyond. So does Shiba Inu, right? But I'm talking about Dogecoin. Dogecoin, we have a Doge roadmap, guys. We have staking coming up, a wallet. We have so many positive catalysts coming up for 2022 and beyond, which are definitely going to help the price of Doge go up, right? I truly think this is going to be a great year from here on forward, guys, right? But who am I, right? I don't know nothing. I'm just a YouTuber that is just spreading the Dogecoin and crypto love. All right, guys. So I'm not going to go too deep in the article. If you want to check it out, it's in You Today. But I just wanted to briefly point out, right, that there still is haters out there, right, guys? So, all right, guys. Now, that's what I had as far as Dogecoin goes. Now, let's dive into some overall crypto news, right? Now, it says Bitcoin sees nonstop end of the year buying at 10,000 Bitcoins, leaving Coinbase in a single day. Granted, guys, this was from yesterday. I meant to make this video yesterday, so this was an article from yesterday, right? Now it says Coinbase users appear hungry for coins as a trading firm forecasted a major flipping in Bitcoin ownership coming in January. Almost 10,000 Bitcoins left major United States-based exchange Coinbase on December 30th in a sign that investors' appetite is returning to the sphere. Data from on-chain monitoring resources CoinGlass shows Coinbase professional trading arm Coinbase Pro shedding 9,925 in the 24 hours of New Year's Eve, right? This is huge, guys. Why? Because it just goes to show you guys the demand for Bitcoin is still there, regardless of where we're at in price, regardless that we went from 69,000 to where we're at now at 47,000 and some change, right? I think 2022 is going to be a great year. And we're going to continue to go up and make a new all-time high, right? All right, next article. Where am I at here? Oh, man. Sorry, guys. I'm a little... Oh, here we go. Now, this is a real positive one here, guys. Now, it says Bitcoin has risen 7 to 36% in the first week of January each year since 2018. Now, it says some analysts are expecting big things for Bitcoin shortly once institutional selling has subsided and capital gets deployed to the market. Right, guys? Obviously, we know it was the end of the year. There was a lot of the tax loophole for the... tax loophole, right, guys? So that's why there was a lot of selling, institutions, hedge funds taking profits and securing money so they can pay for their taxes, right? But now that that is all out of the way, I truly believe we're going to continue to push up. So to these people here in out of Cointelegraph, right? Now, it says some market analysts are highlighting the potential for a green first week on the crypto market in January as a part of what economist and trader Alex Kruger calls the first week of the year effect. As you can see, we're already in the green. We're up. Bitcoin's up 3%, 3.1%, guys. So far, so good. Kruger pointed out in Wednesday tweet that for the past 4 years straight, Bitcoin has enjoyed positive returns in the first week of January, ranging from 7 to 36% between 2018 and 2021. In 2021, Bitcoin grew from 28,000 to 41,000 in the first week of January, guys. When asked what will happen in previous years, Kruger replied, TBF, only 2020 and 2021 matter. Different markets, so do with those two data points as you will, right? His optimistic outlook for early January comes from his expectation of a strong fund inflows, which appears to be in line with sentiments from Real Vision. Raoul Paul said in a YouTube interview on Monday that he believed the sell-off on Bitcoin were finished and that January would have a strong start as institutional capital gets reinvested in the market. Exactly. I agree as well, guys. So, you know what I mean? We got a lot of positive sentiment coming into 2022 for Bitcoin. And what's good for Bitcoin, guys, is good for the overall crypto markets, right? So a lot of good things going for us. A lot of good things going for the whole market, right, guys? So I'm looking at my oh, here we go. Here's my last article here, guys. Thank you if you're still with me. I know you probably hung over, and last thing you want to do is look at a YouTube video, right? Looking at a guy just yapping. All right, guys. Now it says 2021's digital asset shuffle. A myriad of crypto market cap positions moved chaotically this year, right, guys? So it says 2021 has been a bullish year for crypto assets. While prices have risen a great deal, the top 10 and top 20 rankings in terms of market capitalization have also changed significantly. Now, right now, it says on December 27th of 2020, right, Bitcoin was valued at 26,272 per unit and had a market cap of 488 billion initially. Ethereum was changing hands at 682, guys. Ethereum was at $682, right, per unit at the same day, and had a market capitalization of around 77.8 billion. Now fast forward, right guys, to December 26th of 2021, right guys, granted this was from a couple days ago, but you get the point I'm trying to point out here. Right now it says statistics, it says Bitcoin was trading for 50,000 per unit. Obviously guys, right now, well, it's not the 26, but we went from 26,000 to where we're at now guys, and right now we're at 47,000, right? And Ethereum was trading for 4,000, right? And had a market capitalization of 483 billion. We know that prices have changed since December 27, 2020, but Bitcoin and Ethereum still lead the pack in terms of top 10 cryptos. The point I'm trying to point out, guys, is that crypto continues to go up regardless of its ups and downs. That's what I was trying to reiterate and trying to point out here on this little article. If you want to check it out of Bitcoin.com, that crypto assets are here to stay, guys. It just continues to go up. Adoption, mainstream continues to move at a rapid speed. You either get with the program or you get left behind, guys. You know what I mean? And let's start this year off with the bank. Start investing $10, $5. Remember, none of this is financial advice, but you know what I mean? If you want to become that crypto millionaire in 5 to 10 years, you gotta make something happen. You gotta put some action behind it, not just think it, right? Anyways, this is your boy Jaime G. Hopefully this video was informative, helpful, and useful. Hopefully I didn't put you to sleep. Have a wonderfully blessed New Year's Day. Until tomorrow, guys, stay blessed and stay safe. Peace out.